Welcome. Here we're going to do another circumference application. So I have here drawn, this is meant to be a steel plate, and I have 8 bolts that are represented by these dots, and they are evenly spaced around the plate. And then the question is, how many inches apart are the bolts? Now, I do think this question is a little bit tricky because I think that some students will look at this and say, well, the diameter is 6 inches, and so they're 6 inches apart. But the question should be more specific. What it really is asking you for is, what is the distance between each bolt here, this kind of curved distance between each one. So we will go ahead and consider this to be a circumference problem, and we will solve it accordingly. So I know that the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. I am not given the radius of this problem. I am given the diameter, so I need to divide 6 by 2 to get the radius. So the full circumference of this will be 2 pi times 3. If I plug that into my calculator, I get approximately 18.84. Now, I don't round until the very end of the problem, so I leave it in my calculator, the whole long decimal, but for convenience sake, I'll just write the first 2 here. So that is the circumference of the full plate, and I'm dividing it into 8 segments because I have 8 bolts. So I'm dividing it into 8 segments. I will take that number, 18.84, and I will divide it by 8, which gets me approximately 2.35 inches. I apologize, I should put inches up here as well. So that will be my answer, 2.35 inches. I'll round that accordingly, according to what the problem asks me to do. And then just to be aware, the diameter was given to you in inches and the problem asks you for inches, so we did not need to do any unit conversions for this problem. But just be careful when you're reading these problems that the units match before you proceed with solving the problem. Thank you so much for watching.